Alright, Nick Ainati here with Casual Furniture Solutions. Today we're going to be replacing the plastic handle on your tilt lever, which is one of the more common parts that breaks on this thing. So what I always do is just get the handle up to a good working level, pop it out of place, and then kind of engage it with the tilt lever so you can work on it a little bit easier. What you'll need for it is a hammer. I like to use a nail set, or you can use a screwdriver too. Whatever works best for you. So what we'll do is take your nail set, and there's going to be two little pins that hold this on, and just put your nail set on it. Give it a couple taps. You just want to get it past the metal on it, and there's plenty of room for it to go in. You don't want to hit it too hard because the pin could go through the other side and get stuck in the aluminum. It'll bend the aluminum. So just give it a couple hits just to get it past the metal. It is easier if you have somebody holding the bar. And then once you get it past the metal, you can just work it down and slide it out. Typically this would be broken on yours, obviously. And pull that out. Sometimes it gets broken right at the, like right up in it, and the whole handle breaks off. What you need to do there is just get at the bottom, drill a couple holes in there, and put some bolts or lag bolts in there, and then just kind of work it out with some pliers. So then you'll take your new one and then put it back into place, and then you get two pins that come along with it. All right, and then you just take your pins. I always put there's grooves on one side, and then there's a flat top to it, and I always put the flat side in first. And then you'll just need to tap it in. And the other one too. And that is how you replace your handle.